Okay, we got updates. In order to deal with this, that, those, the front wheel needs to come out. These are stuck, by the way. Yeah. In order to get the front wheel out, I need the front wheel off the ground. In order to get the front wheel off the ground, I need a centre stand. Didn't have a centre stand, so I immediately bought the wrong one off eBay. This is for an R, something beginning with R, anyway, Triumph beginning with R. Not this one, as it turns out. So I've had to fix it by welding in some wedges so it doesn't sit here and sit here, it sits here. And then you jack up in the middle and you put it on the ratchet strap, strap that down, so that should be loose. Anyway, that's what I'm up to today. So, things are progressing here now, see? The brakes have all come undone. Good, good, good. Off. New bearings, lost the receipts. That's all good. These have sheared off in here, of course they have. And now I thought, that's okay, I just need to undo this and I'll get my my universal axle dooder out. And of course I snapped that end off, the end I wanted. So, what would you do? You'd go to your bag of bolts and try and find one that fits and undo it. No, no, no. Lovely. By Sarah Jessica Parker. No. So then you come to the tray of box spanners. Who uses a box spanner? Oh. Now we just got to turn it. Watch this shear off. Yeah. Yeah. What's going to happen here then, folks? Get in there. Ready? We all knew that was going to happen. Bear with. It's okay. I found something 19mm hex. Yes. I might just leave it in there. Let's see if it undoes. Yeah. You know, you don't need the right tools. You just need some tools. What a tool. So, front end Friday. That fork seal is gone, I think. Yeah, I'd say that was gone. This fork seal is maybe gone. Those needed lashings of BDX to get out, I can tell you. These up here, this is before BDX. That's before BDX. And that one that sheared off in there is also before BDX was applied. Then I stopped, applied it, and walked away. And all the others have come out with no problem at all. So, happy with that. Next job, drop the forks out. Because I don't know if you can see, I don't know if it's coming through on the camera. They're a little bit snotty and the things snapped off in them and stuck bolts. So I'm going to take all the front end off and bit of, I don't know, bit of Brasso, that'll do it. Bit of BDX, that'll do it up. Right, next. Brake calipers are off. That's straight off the bike. I haven't done anything with them, so they'll go back on. Look at that, plenty of meat there. Just put them straight back on. That one's the same. Yeah, fork things. That bearing is not the best. That's got to clean up. That's got to clean up. That'll clean up. I'll just squirt some BDX on that and that'll clean up. Then outside of the stanchion, it's just paint. Not worried about that. Tiniest bit of pitting on the old fork legs. Some BDX and some wire wool. She's ace. So she. He's a good fella. Where's he gone? Pint. Yep. Wizards of Noz. Got that when I Noz the Bandit. Anyway, wire wool. Scrubby scrub. Looks worse than it is. It's just, yeah, it'll come back around. It'll ruin the fork seals in about 4,000 miles, but it'll be fine. But what they are now. Got to get those out of there. These here aren't stuck. They're on those sort of rubber insert things, you know, that squash up and the rubber's gone and the inserty bit's still there, so I'll probably just chop them off. Thin poles. Right. If you want to see a fork rebuild video, then go to somewhere like him. They do it properly. Okay, good. Snapped a few bolts off in here when I was taking it apart in a rush a while ago. 3. What's that? Burn it! Okay, cobalt drill bits, BDX, thing in the vise, drilling out that with the DeWalt drill. Steady as she goes. Nice and straight. That goes around the back. Can you see around the back of there? It's a through bolt anyway. So that's good. It smells weirdly of like burnt spiders in here at the minute. Can't understand it. We're winning bit by bit. Right, that's drilled all the way down through there. Bang on too, look. Ace. Still not coming out the threads, so bit bigger, and then we'll stick a heady coil in. We're just chasing the threads out now. Actually, BDX gone up to, you know, up in 1/2 mil drill bit sizes, and you can hear the stainless steel now snapping as I'm going. Listen. It was. Hang on. Ooh, you know, that's just the bits coming off. Ooh. We'll get there. We'll keep working it. That'll do. Yeah, big jump's broken out. Anyway, we've drilled that one out now. Just need to get the rest of it drilled out. And then we'll do that one. Great. That's that one out. There it is. My drilling is not obviously great, but you know, if you want to be drilled, you're going to get... Stop it. Anyway, we'll chase the thread down through there and that'll be good again. That thread was not okay, so we shall helicoil that one. Back to size. Excellent. Helicoiled. 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 What's that socket doing in there? So I can grip it on there, you fool. Look at it, look. That's been a fight. But anyway, there's the remnants of the fight. They put up more in a fight than Mike Tyson did. I know that much. Hey? Excellent. Even had to bring the big guns out. And the little one. Anyway, that's the job jobbed. Now I just got to get all the stuck bolts out of there now. Ace. Right, let's give these a whirl. PDX. Wool. Hang down, darling. Oh my god. Yeah, before, after. Smooth, but there's tiny little dings. I shall see how much it is to re-chrome or another pair of forks. It's not worth spending much on this bike, and it doesn't need perfect forks. It's smooth, it's not going to rip the seals apart. Right, good, next. Yeah. More. More. Being seasick yet? More. Oh, look at that. Get off. Hey! Don't forget, half. Tonic. Hey! You know what? We're going to treat ourselves tonight. Do 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 do. Splish, splish, splish. That's all you need. That'll do. That'll do.